Your customers want their machines repaired correctly. But how do you make it happen each and every time? Product knowledge is the answer. It gives you the skills to quickly diagnose problems. It assures customers that you can repair their machines correctly the first time. It keeps downtime to an absolute minimum, and it drives your shop's profitability.
Knowledge is power, and anywhere you can get it, and the e-learning platform is a good place to get it, that's where you get the knowledge that you're going to need in the field.
Kubota Engine Academy is here to help by providing technical training straight from the manufacturer. We're committed to helping you build great service expertise that will keep your customers satisfied. And we make it easy to get all your service techs certified on Kubota engines. Our Kubota-specific training is produced in-house, bringing you world-class online instruction. We offer over 150 courses covering our product line: electronic common rail diesel engines, mechanical injection diesels, spark-ignited engines, and diesel-powered generators. These interactive courses take a deep dive into engine systems and functions. Most courses are 15 to 20 minutes long to keep the training fresh. Learners can take these courses on their schedule, building their proficiency without travel time or expense.
Right now, the entire industry is so strapped for technicians that the technicians that are there are so overloaded with work. Trying to fit in an opportunity for them to train is somewhat difficult. So the short courses really make it easy for them to fit it into their schedule.
Online training is great for demonstrating engine operation, but there's no substitute for hands-on experience. That's why we offer comprehensive instructor-led courses at our Lincolnshire Training Center near Chicago.
I think the facilities here at KEA, both the classroom and the workshop facilities, are some of the best I've ever seen.
Our state-of-the-art lab features running engines for in-depth diagnostic simulations that take your techs to the next level. Classes are 2 or 3 days long, and they target real-world situations and solutions.
Technicians learn by doing. Some of our other manufacturers, there's a lot of classroom time. I like Kubota's because we are out in the shop working on things. That's where the technicians really learn, and that's what they really enjoy.
Our dedicated instructors share an insider's knowledge of Kubota engines. They train technicians to diagnose issues properly and quickly put your customer's Kubota engine back to work. Your technicians will come home with dirt under their fingernails and the insight to confidently solve any issue. Best of all, we bring this training closer to you with our network of master trainers and our distributors. We back it all up with first-class customer support. That's our mission, making sure your techs have access to the training they need for success.
The support that we've received from Kubota training department up here has been fantastic.
Product training pays off with fewer errors, reduced callbacks, and greater shop efficiency. Most importantly, your shop will improve customer satisfaction, build trust in the Kubota brand, and increase your profits, because great service brings repeat business, and great Kubota service starts with great Kubota training.